it's so common to hear abuse of cows, of donkeys, of goats, of hens, horses. I mean, it's crazy.
कि हम कहते हैं कि ये जानवर है. तो what happens when an animal comes to you और अगर उसको animal को अगर abuse किया जा रहा है?
So just 10 days back we got a case of bestiality. It's like a human raping an animal.
इसके against कुछ laws हैं?
Laws है.
What can I do legally?
Very little. Same law, Section 377, also looked at animal sexual abuse. But now, under the new laws which have come into existence from July 1st, 377 has been taken off the statutes. So that one law that we had to be able to prosecute sexual abuse of animals has been taken away.